Little Lali wants to create a brand new outfit. This is a mess. Nothing's working. Oh, mind if I take a look?
Wow!
This actually looks amazing. Hey, Lali, your sketches are awesome.
Huh?
They just need a little extra love.
Wow! So good!
Let's find even more inspiration in Lali's notebook. Look at all these cool ideas. Oh! Oh, paper, Lali. Snip, snip. Let's cut her out.
Good job!
And try your outfit on. Tap the link in the description if you want your own notebook too. She looks so stylish. Idea! Time to bring these sketches to life. Lali kiss! Whoa, so many outfits. Let's find the perfect one. Let's see, a skirt or pants? Maybe the skirt?
Huh?
It's a perfect match. Let's put the skirt on. What do you think? Pretty close? It needs more blue. I'll repaint it real quick. Lalalu, look! Wow, that turned out so cute. Now we need a 3D pen. Which color should we pick? I want blue. Let's load the filament. Now let's make the top. Add some pink details. Done. So adorable. Lali, try it on. Now let's finish it with a little heart.
Woohoo!
I love it so much. Are we done now? Oops, we forgot the shoes.
Oh!
Your turn to choose. Whoa! I want those. They look amazing. Lali, they're way too big for you. You'll wear them when you're older. Here, try these instead. Okay. These fit much better. Let's decorate little stars. One last touch, my scissors. Lali, you're a real fashion designer. Time to head to the playground.
Wow!
Have fun, bestie.
Woohoo! Oh my gosh!
Everything here is so colorful. Make way, here I come. Oh, there's a puddle ahead. Oh no! You got all messy. Let me help you.
Yeah!
Let's make you an awesome new look. I can already picture it. I've got it. Come on, let's get crafting. Hold still, bestie. Ta-da! So, what do you think? Take a look in the mirror. Do you like it? That's totally not my style. I want something more edgy. Oops, you're right. I'll fix it. Lali magic. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. This look is awesome. Wow, this is incredible. Come join my fashion school. Yay, that's my dream. Lali, you did such an amazing job. I'm so proud of you. Thanks, Lalalu. I'm getting sleepy. Looks like somebody's ready for a nap. Is she still sleeping? Lali, wake up. I need something stronger. Lali, Lali, wake up! Lali, Lali, wake up! Lali keeps snoozing peacefully. Okay, last resort. Wake up! I'm late for school! Hurry, hurry! Where are my clothes? I have nothing to wear! Let me help.
Thank you!
Get ready, quick. Lalalu, I need a cool new look. Of course, bestie. Maybe you want to draw a sketch? Here's a poof so you can sit comfy. What should I come up with? I've got an idea. This one has a pretty skirt. And this one has a cute top. How do I combine them? Wait, I know. I have a whole idea notebook. Let's take a look. 8 different outfit options. Which one works best?
Oh.
Lalalu, I want this one. Let's start with the top.
Yeah.
And here's the material. Nanotape.
Oh.
Already with glitter. Yeah, not enough sparkle. It's almost totally clear. Lali kiss. Glitter for every mood. Sprinkle the sticky side of the tape. Voila! The top is ready. Let's decorate it with a pink heart. Cool, just like the picture. Now the skirt. Hello, delivery? Yes, ASAP. The package is already here. Aw, look at those ruffles. Over here. Ta-da! The skirt is ready. Let's add a belt.
Good job.
Slippers don't work with this at all. Let's put on stylish sneakers. How's that? Something's missing. Right, leg warmers. Thanks. Also this super fast.
Excellent.
Let's decorate rhinestones. Cute little sleeves, trendy earrings in the ears. Lali's super stylish look is ready. Awesome! I love it. It turned out so cool. Okay, let's go to school. My dream is coming true. I'm gonna be an awesome fashion designer. Who's making all that noise?
Wow.
What a stylish outfit.
Huh?
That look is amazing. Who's the designer?
Hey.
Lali made it all herself. Yep, I love crafting. You're so talented. I want to see too. Let me through. Oh, my ice cream.
Aww. Huh?
Oh no, you got messy. This needs my help. Let me think. I've got an idea. Lali kiss. Rhinestones will totally hide the stain.
Woo.
That's seriously cool. You did great, bestie. Yep, Lali is amazing as always. But it's time for class. But I don't have a sewing machine. No problem, we'll make one. I happen to have a mini stapler lying around. I take the cover off and remove the inside. Next, I grab an empty lipstick tube and attach the piece on top. Then I decorate it with some flat Lego pieces. These tiny clothespins are so cute. I'll pick the pink one. Split it in half. And glue it right here. We need a little glue. Pop, and here's a button for the thread spool. There, all done. You're the best little helper. The needle is made from a pencil tip. Now all that's left is to thread it. Cute button. One last detail. The sewing machine is finished. Something's missing. Of course, rhinestones. Oh, my glitter, it's gorgeous! I can't wait to bring it to school. Today's sewing class. Everyone, take out your sewing machines. Right here. What's today's project? Your assignment is to sketch a dress and sew it. Everyone got it? Let's get started. I already have an idea. Here's my sketch. Excellent. Now start sewing. Lali is ready to create. First, I need to cut the fabric. Now let's sew it. La la la. The machine ate my fabric. Come on, Lali, you can do it. You're the best designer in the whole world. Really? Oh, then I'll try again. Sew. Done. The mannequin's taken. Aw, man, that was the last one.
Huh?
I'll be your mannequin.
Woo.
Try not to move. Outstanding. Top grade. It's time for you to start designing your own collection. I did it! Yay! You'll need more mannequins for your collection. Now it's time to decorate it with stickers. These look so cute.
Woo.
I've got an idea. Let's make it sparkle. Perfect. Now cover the mannequin with glitter. Wow! So shiny. Hold on, we're not done yet. Cut a straw in half. Good. Attach it. Mount it onto the stand. A strip of rhinestones. The mannequin is finished. Here you go, Lali. And here's your sewing machine, too. I can't wait to start sewing. My favorite sewing machine. First dress is finished. Let's try it on. Wow, it turned out so pretty. Time to make more. 2 more dresses are ready. Oh, that was a lot of work. You did an amazing job. Thanks. Roxy, is that you? We have to celebrate. Oops. All my dresses are covered in confetti and glitter. Sorry, Lali. That was an accident. What am I gonna do?
What?
Wow, they actually look even better now. Will you be my main model? Of course, I'd love to. Come on, let's hurry to Lali. Have a seat right here.
Shoo.
Let me think. I know, I've got an idea. I'll sketch it out. Lali! My pencil broke! Hey, here's a pencil sharpener. Yay, my pencil's good as new. Lali drew a whole bunch of sketches. None of them are right. They're all missing something. What do I do? Easy there. Let me take a look. Oh, this skirt is really cute. And this fabric is perfect. Lali, let's finish it together. Voila! Oh my gosh, this is insanely cool. Oh my goodness, I already want to try it on. I've already got something ready. First, your tights.
Yay!
Hand them here. Pop. What should I make the corset from? I know! Hot glue! Great idea! Don't forget to load the glue stick. I'll use the brightest one. Apply the glue. No! Oh, Lali, what happened?
Huh?
We have to wrap it with plastic first. Oh, right. Well, let's do it. Swish, swish, swish. There, now you're a mummy. Carefully apply the hot glue. Done. Let's add some sparkle. Great idea. Cut out the foam sheet and attach it to the front. Woo, that looks so cool. Now it's time for the skirt. Yes! I've already got it ready. Here, try it on.
Unbelievable. Let's go.
Let's decorate it with bright neon ruffles. I want to see. Here you go.
Oh my goodness.
My hairstyle.
Oh.
Lali, emergency hair makeover. Then I'll use a little styling gel and gently smooth the braids with my fingers. It looks gorgeous, but we forgot the most important part. The train. So. Lali!
Aww.
What happened?
Huh?
The fabric ripped by accident. Don't cry. Maybe these balloons will cheer you up. What an interesting material. Stop. This is going to look amazing. 1 second. Awesome, it's so sparkly. I still think it's missing something. A hole punch. Let's make a bunch of little stars. Great idea. Punch, punch, punch. That looks so cool. Let's attach them to the hem. Cool rock-style jewelry and a stylish handbag. Roxy's runway look is complete. Thank you, I look so pretty. Just like the reference. High five, bestie. High five too?
Uh-huh.
Lali, not this again. You fall for it every time. Too funny. Hey, Lali.
Huh?
What about your outfit? Oh no, I totally forgot about myself.
Wow!
Look at all this stuff. There are so many choices. I don't even know where to start. Don't worry. I'll help you. Let's start with the skirt. Lali kiss. This skirt is amazing. You look just like a princess. Let's pick the next icon. Ooh, a corset. Oh, wait, Hubba Bubba, where's the corset? Let's make one out of your gum. You're a genius. Unroll the gum. Wow, it's so long. Cut off a piece, then wrap it around your waist. Yummy. Don't eat your top. Lali, we need some sparkle. Let's order some really fast. Lali's 100% diamond glitter.
Wow!
Here it is. Brush some glue onto the gum, sprinkle on the glitter, and finish it off with a rhinestone ribbon. It's dazzling! Time for a gorgeous new hairstyle. Do I look pretty? You sure do. We forgot something. Really?
Huh?
The skirt train. Lali love! Wow, can I see? Wow, what a beautiful long train! It's so pretty. This look turned out absolutely stunning. Your carriage is here. Time for the fashion show. Bestie, hurry over here. I can't wait. Off we go to the runway. Roxy and Lali are already on stage. This is the event of the year. I have to film this. Please welcome Lali, our superstar designer, and her model, Roxy. Hi, everyone. The show begins. Oh, no. Where are the rest of the outfits? Were they stolen? Don't panic. They're all here. But what about the models? Easy. I'll take care of it. Girls! Over here! We're here. Today's models are Huntrix.
Wow! Let's go.
Please welcome Rumi, Zoe, and Mira. Awesome collection. Incredible. Amazing. Please welcome the designer herself, Lali. Take a closer look at this gorgeous train. And here's the grand finale. Lali and Roxy look absolutely amazing. Thank you, bestie. We did this together. You two did an incredible job. I'm so proud of you. The fashion show turned out amazing. Give Lali a like if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.